may respeto kami sa oras nila, dapat magrespeto din sila sa oras ng mga resource persons na tinatawag nila tapos umuupo doon nang wala namang tanong. Okay? So, I do not understand saan nagagaling yung sinasabi nila na hindi umaaten, hindi sumasagot. Umupo ako, walang tanong. At ang next is, ako na daw dapat ang umupo doon at sumagot, sabi ni Martin Romualdez. Unang-una, I did not vote for Martin Romualdez as congressman. Kung taga-Tacloban man ako, hindi din ako boboto sa kanya as congressman. I do not gave him my trust and confidence as congressman. I did not vote for him as Speaker of the House of Representatives. Diba? So, kilala ko siya as Martin Romualdez, but I did not vote for him for congressman and speaker. So,